Hi, I'm Chris from eLearning, and I need to be honest with you, most digital learning is painfully boring. You know the type. Click next, read a wall of text, watch a talking head, answer a multiple choice quiz. It's the digital equivalent of death by PowerPoint, and yet organisations spend millions on it every year, hoping people will actually engage, actually learn, actually change their behaviour. Spoiler alert, they don't. Because boring digital learning doesn't just fail to engage people, it actively turns them off. It makes learning feel like a chore, not an opportunity. Here's the thing, digital learning isn't the problem is lazy design. Too many organisations think digital learning means taking a PowerPoint, recording a voiceover and calling it e-learning. Or they buy off-the-shelf courses that have nothing to do with their culture, their people or their real-world challenges. And then they wonder why completion rates are low and nothing actually changes. But when digital learning is done right, it's transformational. It's flexible, it's scalable, it meets people where they are, on their phone, at their desk, on the shop floor. It can be interactive, immersive and deeply personal. It can tell stories, spark reflection, create moments of real insight, and it can drive genuine behaviour change if you design it for real humans, not just compliance tick boxes. At eLearning, we design digital learning that people actually want to engage with. We use our power of 8, our methodology rooted in behavioural science, to create experiences that connect with the whole person. That means learning that tells a story, not just delivers information. It invites reflection, not just recall. That uses visuals, activities and real-world scenarios to make it stick. We build for mobile-first accessible design, every module SCORM compliant and works seamlessly with your LMS. And we don't just create content and disappear, we work with you to understand your culture, your challenges and what success actually looks like. We've designed digital learning for global brands, healthcare organisations, retail giants and hospitality groups, onboarding programmes that reduce time to competency, leadership development that shifts behaviour, customer experience training that transforms culture. And we measure what matters, engagement scores, completion rates, performance improvements and whether people actually apply what they've learned. Because digital learning shouldn't just be something people have to do. It should be something that helps them grow. When digital learning is done right, it's a game changer. It scales across your organisation. It meets people in the flow of work. It creates consistency without losing the human touch. And it proves its value, not just in completion rates, but in real behaviour change, better performance, and a culture where learning is part of everyday growth. So if you're ready to create digital learning that people actually engage with, learning that's clever, human, and built to stick, let's talk. Visit us at a8learning.co.uk or drop us a line. Let's make digital learning something people look forward to, not something they dread.